All right, guys, I just want to show exactly how we caught this huge rally today as expected, just following my trade plans and following the direction order flow. So yesterday I had alerted SPY puts at the top, right? And then we took them for a huge sell-off, returning, I think, almost 100% on our SPY puts yesterday. Okay, 91% on this. So this was an alert I sent out yesterday that we closed. And then yesterday, end of day, I sent out QQQ calls upon the test of 387 demand, looking for a move to 391.40. And we caught that rally as well, guys, returning 103%. So I want to show, as promised, how we did it, all right? So I just want to show you my exact blueprint, right? So here's my exact alert, right? Buy it open QQQ 1127, 391 calls at about $1.67. All right, we took them for about 103% profit today. Again, here is my trade plan, guys, right? So what I do is I issue my trade plan with my trade thesis, okay, right? It's always if X then Y, right? So I'm showing my setup. I said we met our daily demand zone. If the strong low holds, if daily demand holds, the expectation, aka direction order flow, is that they're going to take out the weak highs of 391.40. Okay, we have indexes in demand. I was looking for a rally today. Okay, here's my exact projected path. Why was this valid demand, guys? Why? Simply follow the market structure, guys. What is the market telling you? What is the structure telling you? We had to break a structure, right, upon yesterday's ripper, and then we sold off into higher time frame demand around 387. Okay, I was looking for a move from 387 up to 391.40, guys. That is called directional market order flow. Okay, look, guys, I just cannot make this stuff up. From 387 entry of QQQ calls up to 391.40, the before and the after. Okay, look at that. Just look at that price delivery, guys. Just absolute perfection. Okay, but I'm going to show you exactly how we did it. Okay, so I sent my alert out yesterday. I want to show you how I had identified the zone, guys. This is a daily demand zone. Okay, what that means is the market this is a continuation pattern. So we rallied, we based, and we rallied, right? As a result of this rally, guys, it leaves imbalance open, right? We have a break of structure, right? Which then makes this a strong low, right? We then have our demand zone, okay? So the trade setup comes upon the retracement back into demand, targeting the weak highs, right? Because a break of structure, right? Continuation. If this holds, we look for a move to the weak highs, okay? Right, guys, that is essentially what following the directional order flow means, okay? So let me do a little schematic here, okay? Higher time frame is clearly bullish, right? Shorts have just been obliterated, guys. We are following the directional order flow. Higher highs, higher low, right? What happens here, guys? Another break of structure right there, okay? So what happens as a result of that, guys? Well, let's check it out. We have a break of structure here. As a result of this break of structure, this becomes a strong low, okay? As a result of this break of structure, we form valid demand, okay? So the expectational direction order flow is, if we meet demand against the strong low, they're going to keep on running the weak highs, okay? There's the weak high. So I simply alerted calls upon the retracement back into my demand zone of 387, targeting the weak highs. And as you can see, guys, there's my daily demand zone. You can see the wick test into demand right here on the hourly chart. Let's see what happened. Right, so we meet demand right here, guys, an absolute perfect test of demand, and check it out, we meet the weak highs. This is exactly what I mean, guys. You can see the break of structure right there. The market, right, we pull back, another break of structure, right? Just as my schematic shows, guys, right? Just as my schematic shows, break of structure. As a result of this break of structure, we form valid demand. This is why many improperly trade supply and demand, because they're not incorporating market structure, right? So we enter longs on the retracement back into demand, and we get the absolute ripper as we were expecting. We are up 6.5 points as our long entry, guys. This is the power of following directional market. This is the power of following the institutional and directional market order flow, and this is how you properly trade supply and demand, guys, because if you are not incorporating structure, then your supply and demand zones are useless, because you are not identifying who is in control. Because ultimately, guys, when we're trading, we want to identify whether price is going to look to run weak highs or weak lows, and that is what I teach in my group, guys. That is literally exactly what we talked about right here. Look at this, before and after, guys. I cannot make this stuff up. I have a big promotion going on right now. If you are interested, the link is in my bio right here. This will expire 11/26. Doing so will grant access to my private Twitter for you guys. And as you can see, I am active throughout all day. We are done for the rest of the day. You could see right here my exact trade plans and my private Twitter for you guys, right? Nonstop. Here's our track record for the past 16 alerts, right? I cannot make this up, guys. So I hope that this educational video helps. But this is what I talk about, and inside my feed, and as you can see, I also do many free trade recaps as well. But otherwise, guys, this is exactly what we do literally every single day, right? These are just some more testimonials from today, little video that I recorded. I change lives every single day, guys. I mean, I cannot make this stuff up. When you have a proven system that works, right, the rest just becomes noise. So I hope you guys all have a great Thanksgiving, but this is my little trade recap and how to trade following the directional market overflow or order flow. Doing so, you're not trying to guess tops and bottoms. And this is just what we do every day, guys.